Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You'll start by confirming prerequisites: updated iPad OS and an Apple ID signed in. Once done, open FaceTime and allow camera and mic if prompted. This enables live effects. Make sure you've created at least one Memoji in Messages. FaceTime pulls from those. Now tap a contact or start a new FaceTime call so you can access the effects controls. This is the first actionable step that moves you straight into using Memoji on a live call. Once the call connects, tap the effects icon that looks like a star or mask. This opens the visual effects tray. Then choose the Memoji tab and swipe to find the one you want, or tap Edit to tweak features. This updates in real time. Make sure you place the iPad at eye level so the face tracking maps correctly, and use pinch or drag gestures if you want to adjust size. If you switch to the rear camera, note that Memoji requires the front-facing camera for accurate tracking. To finish, tap the effects icon again and close the Memoji tray or end the call. The avatar stops when FaceTime ends. If your Memoji won't apply, make sure the front true depth camera is unobstructed and check settings privacy for camera access. Lack of permission prevents tracking. If that doesn't help, restart FaceTime or reboot the iPad and confirm you're on the latest iPad OS. Updates often fix camera and AR issues. This troubleshooting step usually resolves the remaining problems.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.